My click, clack goes the black old pip, and just like it, I blow that shit, cause bitch, I'm the bomb like tick, tick. Yeah!
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been missing in action for a little bit, but I'm back.
I heard someone tell me I fell off. Ooh, I needed that. And they want to see me pick back up, but where I leave it at?
I just wanted to do something like really fun and colorful for the end of summer because unfortunately summer is winding down, as we all know. It's the end of August and I just don't know where summertime went. Like, it was just May yesterday. That's real annoying because like winter lasts for like 11 months. And summer be here and just be like. So, yeah, I just wanted to do this to kick off the end of summer, I guess. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Alright y'all, I know I'm looking a little crazy right now, but trust the process, sis. Trust the process. I'm just going to moisturize my lips. The shade Y23. I'm just using a fluffy brush. I don't know who this is even. Oh, this is a Morphe brush. But I'm just using this to blend out the concealer on my eyelids. And my transition shade is going to be this yellow. And this is by BH Cosmetics. Now that I have my transition shade on, I am going to go on for my brow bone highlight. I always spray my brush first with some type of setting spray. Right now I'm using the NYX setting spray. I'm using, Anastasia Beverly Hills Glue Kit. But you know what? I think I'm about to go get my Becca. I'll be back. I'm back. So I need to just go buy a new one. Like, I be scraping it out the corners. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's like nothing left in there but edges. And I be scraping it out like it's not a game. I'm about to scrape it out some more because highlight looks so good on my skin complexion. I mean, it's called champagne pop, so yeah, it's definitely more of like a champagne. You see that? Let's take a minute. Do you see that? Do you see it? Do you see it? Oh my god. Sis, get into it. Get you some Becca and champagne pop. Okay. I'm going to take this pink. That is going to be my crease color. Oh, drop my blister. Ah! I'm just dropping everything. Oh my god. I keep dropping stuff. Now I'm going to take that brush that I used in the beginning, the brush that I put the yellow on with, and I'm going to blend the pink out. Blend the pink into the yellow. Pack this pink on some more until I get it as bright as I want it. Pack the pink in some more. Now you want to go back in with the yellow just to add some more of the transition color back in so that you don't lose it. to use a bigger brush. I don't know, I bought these brushes off of Groupon. If you haven't seen my video on cutting creases for hooded eyelids, I will link that down below. Now I'm going to take my Modern Renaissance palette, Golden Ochre. Alright y'all, so basically I went ahead and did this eye, and I did end up adding a little slash, this glitter eyeliner from the local beauty supply store, and I lined my eyes. Now I'm just going to take a glitter adhesive and put that right on top of the glitter eyeliner that I've already put on my eye, and then I'm going to take some actual glitter. This is not cosmetic glitter, so I advise if you do use this to use cosmetic glitter, don't be like me. Y'all know the lashes, of course, is Esmino collection. I'm just gonna take some glitter adhesive and put it right on top of this glitter line, and then just lay the glitter right on top. Voila. I'm going to hop off this camera and throw my other eyelash on and do my skin, and I'll be back with the finished look. So this is my finished look, you guys. I don't know why my hair is sticking up in the middle of this ponytail like this, but this is not no hair tutorial. This is a makeup tutorial, so we're gonna keep it pushing. This is the finished look. I will leave all the other products that I used on my face that I did off camera. I'll put them in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video.